Hi, we're going to be talking about project management today in Workamajig. And we're going to start with a little tour of the Today page for project managers. When we open up the Project Manager's Today page, we're going to see a variety of information that's constantly being monitored for us. Because as you know, if you're a project manager, there's a ton of things to stay on top of, and it can become quite manual. So Workamajig is going to try to help you with that and monitor those areas so that you don't have to spend so much time doing so, but it's going to make sure that you're aware at all times. As you can see down our left navigation, there's a variety of different areas that have information for me. I know I've got open purchase orders. I know I've got projects with budget warnings. I also know that there are assignments that are due but not done today. That's my hot sheet for the day. Down below, I've got a variety of areas that I like to pull reports about. All of these reporting areas are going to provide us with a series of reports in each of these listings. Now, any of those reports that I pull up will have a variety of different search criteria that I can utilize. Any of the different reports that I actually run, I can always drill into any of that information. So if I need to access the details, I can always distribute any of these reports in a variety of different formats. And all of this reporting is modifiable. Not everybody likes standard reports. And in the advertising world, that's a pretty common thing, to want to have some sort of customization. We all have some unique things that are happening, and we need to be able to get reporting about that. So in Workamajig, that's just standard. You have access to every field in each of these different data sets so that you can indeed update the reporting or even create your own reporting to just enhance the report library. Down the middle here, we have what we call the daily feed. Now, what's the daily feed? It's a natural audit trail of everything that's happening on your project all day long. And no one's typing that information in. It's just tracking what we're doing. If somebody checked a done box, updated a status, maybe they reassigned a task. But if it was done on your project, you're going to see when and by whom. We can also drill into any of these projects if something that we see in the daily feed intrigues us. We also need to be able to create things quickly, and that might be a variety of different items, but projects, of course. And I could do that right from my Today page as well.